Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is Friday, a not so good Friday. I think a lot of profit taking. Okay, the KLSE drop, but at the end, at the evening, right, we can see some optimism. Okay, some the candlestick. Okay, looks like there are some optimism at the end of the day. Okay, but never mind. Let's check the global index first. How are you guys? So how was the week this week? Okay, are you guys making a good progress on the stock market? What do you think? Anybody have any comment? Okay, how do you feel about the market for this week? Okay, whether is this a really bad onslaught? Okay, for this week, or okay, this week actually has some progress. Okay, those stock that I highlighted, right, those recovery stock that I highlighted actually is still making good progress. Okay, and some are the other stock, the oil, right, the oil stock and the metal stock. Those stock, okay, I will discuss on Sunday. Okay, Sunday I'll do a weekly update, right? So we discuss on Sunday, okay, whether there's still opportunity in this sector or not. Okay, so today we talk about keep it short Friday. Okay, look at KLSE first. KLSE drop again. Okay, so yesterday rebound. Yesterday bounce is just a small correction. Okay, so drop again 3.79 point. Okay, and 0.24%. STI Singapore dropped 0.824%. Hang Seng dropped 3.6238, big drop. South Korea dropped 2.798, quite big drop. Japan Nikkei dropped 3.985, drop, okay, big drop. Index, Thailand up 0.38%, Philippines up 0.56%. This is important. China dropped 2.65%. FTSE, SSE, China dropped 2.11%. Not very good. Australia, S&P 200 dropped 2.35, big drop. Okay, Indonesia dropped 0.6. New Zealand up 0.7. Taiwan dropped 3.032. Okay, so Asia all big drop. This New Zealand is a bit different. Okay, when people drop, they are up. When people up, they drop, right? Okay, so only some of the smaller, right, the smaller indexes is up. Okay, the big indexes mainly are all down. Okay, India also down. Okay, 3.764. Let's look at UK. UK down 0.470. German DAX down 0.2829. Let's look at US Dow Jones down 1.752. Okay, and S&P 500 also down 2.48. So the global, okay, the global index is, most of the big indexes is all down. Okay, so this today is it's not a good Friday. Not a good Friday. So this one, be careful. So let's look at palm oil. Okay, palm oil dropped 0.113. Okay, Brent oil dropped 0.733, and crude oil dropped 1.007. But even drop, but the price is still quite high, quite strong. Gold dropped 0.7, silver dropped 2.63. Okay, so most of the thing dropped. Okay, most of the everything dropped today, including precious metal, including oil. Okay, including the big indexes. So today is quite a not a good day for the world global indexes, okay, and the prices of the oil and metal, okay, precious metal, sorry. Okay, let's look at our KLSE counters. Gainers 442, losers 660. Okay, so starting to have more losers again. Let's look at COVID. COVID yesterday, good news, dropped until 1,924. So it's first time drop back to the 1,000. Okay, since the MCO 2.0, right? So there's some news. Okay, some news on the growth of the company. Genting, right? Genting actually at the 4Q. Okay, make some progress. Okay, turn to the black in the fourth quarter, means the third quarter they are losing money. The fourth quarter actually turn to black. So revenue up. So Genting Malaysia narrow loss. Okay, on the fourth quarter. So Genting Malaysia say their net loss has narrowed. Okay, from narrowed to 240 from 740. Okay, from 740. In the third quarter, narrowed down to 240. Okay, so good progress for Genting and Genting Berhad. UMW, okay, net profit rose to 1,237.44 million for the fourth quarter. Axiata, okay, fell into the red. So Axiata net loss, make a net loss in the fourth quarter. And Maybank also net profit down by 37% on the fourth quarter. Public Bank also fourth quarter, okay, net profit for the fourth quarter also fell 18%. Okay, Simdabi net profit up, right? Double the net profit because they sold Tesco, right? So this one very hard to say. Simdabi property narrow the net loss, okay, ended 555 million from 355 million. So there's progress, right? Progress this year, okay. There's some progress on the fourth quarter, not to say this year, okay. The fourth quarter, end of last year, right? UNISEM also net profit, okay, for the last quarter, higher 20%. Okay, Keja Prospect net profit for fourth quarter drop, okay, due to MCO. SP Setia, okay, fourth quarter went to the black, okay, from a net loss for 263,000 million, okay, up, go back to net profit 55 million. MSM Malaysia net loss, okay, financial year, okay, narrowed from 71,000 to 71 million from 299 million. Okay, Matrix Concept net profit rose a 5-year higher to 75.34 million. Dutch Lady net profit dropped 24%. It's TSH, right? TSH Resources net profit jumped 76.68% in the fourth quarter compared to 32.95 million compared to 18 million a year earlier. DNEX, okay, DNEX net profit also jumped to 15.1 million for the fourth quarter. For the quarter ended on December 31st, okay, versus a net loss of 3.7 million recorded the previous year, right? So year over year improved. Malaysia Building Society MBSB net profit fell 73%, okay, on the fourth quarter. So not a good result. Malaysia Pacific Industry net profit in the second quarter up 49%, okay, 49% to 45.1 million. IJM Plantation net profit increased 3 times, 66.59, okay, with earning 7.56 per share. So this one good result for IGM Plantation. PB Group, right, fourth quarter increased 10.3% to 385 million from 349 million a year earlier. Kenanga net profit saw, right, already calling already, Kenanga, okay, 351% to 39.29. Okay, we already talked about Kenanga, right, quite some time ago. Okay, that's why we see the chart, okay, we see a clearer picture. Just reading on the news, right, it's a bit, right, a bit late. Kenanga, we talked about Kenanga, I think a few weeks back, you know. So now only the news come out, okay, net profit saw 359%. This one recording long time ago, right? Malaysia Resources, MRCB, right, also profit also surged 346%, okay, to 26.89 million compared to 6.03 right, last year. Media Chinese International net profit on the third quarter, okay, drop, okay, 59.17% to 5.58 million from 13.66 a year ago. Media Prima, okay, returned to black with a net profit of 18.84 million, okay, compared to net loss last year, okay, fourth quarter of last year, 104.46 million. So YTL net profit also jumped 12 times to 16.09, okay, 16.09 million in the second quarter, okay, compared to the 1.29 million, okay, previous quarter, okay. So big gain for YTL. Marsing net profit also increased 4.19% from to 28.13 million in the fourth quarter, okay, against 27 million on the third quarter of 2020. Okay, so slight increase. So FGV also raised their share to 2.78 billion, right, to take over Felda to take over FGV. Sorry, So VS Industry also having a bonus issue. Okay, so this about the news. Okay, the hot news on the press. We look at Sambusa announcement. My EG again. Okay, my EG, the owner, the director. Okay, again bought a share. Okay, 749,000 share. Okay, of his own share. Also, so Sunway. Okay, Sunway doesn't look so good. EPF. Okay, dispose 40,000 of their share. So let's look at KLCI. Okay, KLCI today dropped, okay, but recovered, dropped and recovered. Let's go into the story mode, see what happened to the story today, 26 on the 26th. Let's go into story mode. So 9 o'clock, okay, 9 o'clock, starting market open, surge up, right? Then after that, subsequent until 10 o'clock, being sold down, okay, morning, retailers sell it down. A lot of selling in the morning, okay, a lot of selling by the retailers. Most of the retailers is more active in the morning. So after 10 o'clock, okay, when all the fund managers and all the banks come in, okay, it goes sideways. Okay, up to lunchtime. After lunch open, okay, another buying, another surge up. Okay, so after that, after the surge in the evening, the Friday, right, take profit, right? So a lot of people dump until 3:30. Okay, 3:30, a lot of stock, I think the price already go down, right, very low. So there are people picking up the stock after that at 4 o'clock, okay. After 4 o'clock, a lot of people picking up the stock, right? So there is some optimism at the end of the day, okay. So that's why you see a pin bar here, okay. This is a pin bar, right? Okay, the pin bar indicate that the momentum going up, right, is still quite strong, but the thing is, okay, good news is that it broke up above, the price already go back above 1574, right? But okay, but it still haven't break this trend line, okay, this trend line, okay. So if it doesn't break this trend line, this could be a retest, okay. So this could be a broken resistance, broken support become resistant. This could be a retest for another leg down, okay, for another downwards move, okay. So the best is next week if we can close above this, okay, this resistance line, right, we can close above here next week, and possible, okay, you come back to retest this 1613, okay. If you're able to break 1613, good news, okay. If you're unable to break 1613, could be sideways. Well, so if it's next week it continue to come down, okay, means the continue of the bear market, right? Okay, let's look at sector. Today the strong sectors not many, very minimal gain, all very minimal gain. You see, all very minimal gain. Okay, the distribution sector is a strong one. Energy, mineral, we talked about it on the Sunday. Okay, the oil counters, we talked about it on a Sunday update. So this one we want to make it short. Hubsync, okay, Hubsync 7.45, not bad. Comcord is their stock is a bit very volatile, so a bit difficult to analyze. So we look at Hubsync. Hubsync just reported a good performance, good quarter performance on their stock. So Hubsync looks like a triangle. Okay, so Hubsync is in a triangle. Okay. Okay, so Hubsync is in a triangle. So it's, for me, right, it's not a very good time to enter the market yet, okay, because it's still in the triangle, okay. In order for me, right, in order to buy, right, for Hubsync, right, okay, it showed that it's still a consolidation, okay, it's not no big breakthrough yet, okay. If you want to buy, I want to see a breakthrough, okay, a breakthrough through, okay, this trend line, okay, a breakthrough this trend line, which is we put a price there first, okay, a break above 8 ringgit and 62 cent, 8 ringgit 62 cent, okay, or a break outside this, okay, this triangle, okay, the triangle we just draw, okay, we need a break outside this triangle, okay, close above 825, it's higher than 825, wait, let me put it, it is a bit higher. $866, okay, 866. It break out above 866, then possible, okay, we can target 9.4 and 10 ringgit, okay. So we need to break through here first, but this one is still in a triangle, okay, still in a consolidation mode. Okay, other than Hubsync, there's not too many to look at. Okay, there's not too many to look at. All minimum grow. Okay, Hubsync Sime Darby, all this very minimum growth. Okay, so I talk about, I see some stock got some action today. Okay, so we talk about some stock that I like to highlight today. CYPARK. Okay, CYPARK look like it has a break. Okay, it has a breakout today. Looks like it has a breakout today. So this is the support resistance line, which is very important. It should not break. Okay, if it break, maybe if break out, maybe want to sell. Okay, so it has a breakout today, right? So if the price can continue, okay, to hold above this area, 1.43, price can hold above 1.43, okay, here and above this trend line, okay, possible, okay, we can look for the opportunity for the price to go up. Okay, the first target we want to look is this one. Okay, 1.85. Okay, 1.85 is the previous high. So we want to see whether it can break 1.85. Okay, if it can break 1.85, okay, if it cannot break, maybe take profit here. If it can break, okay, I will look at this one, 1.77. Okay, so 1.77. So this is the first target. This will be the second target I will look at for CYPARK. Okay, if it continue to go up, if it come back down next week, means it's a false break. Means the break is not clean. Okay, MESB. Okay, MESB is having a consolidation. Consolidation. Okay, so we want to see here MESB. Okay, whether it has any breakout. Now it's doing a triangle. Okay, so it's creating a triangle. Okay, if the price can break out on the triangle, break out for 0.52, right? So there is an opportunity to buy. Okay, this one maybe could still come down to test this area. Okay, to test this area. So this one we just monitor first. Okay, because this one is forming some pattern. Okay, so we wait for a pattern to break out. Okay, MCSB today also gain also quite good, 5.15% MESB. So this one we have to wait for the consolidation, wait for a break. Okay. YTL power. Okay, so YTL power continue to go up. Okay, continue to go up. Then we discuss about YTL power, about the break here, right? Okay, so our target is here, 0.79. Okay, just want to highlight. Okay, the price is almost to the target. So the target between 0.676 and 0.79. Okay, this short-term target. So this is the two target. The price almost really reached the target. Okay, so I just want to highlight this. So we take a look at yesterday, the stock we discussed yesterday. So yesterday was not very strong. Today is not very strong because of the profit taking Friday. Okay, so a lot of stock is very slow. Okay, a lot of stock very slow. So we take a look at a few of the stock that we discussed yesterday. So DNO, I already said, right? DNO don't chase, right? So wait for a drop, only buy. Okay, JHM. Okay, JHM is still under consolidation. There's no breakout yet. Okay, this breakout did not actually really break out. So the price broke out and went back in. So this is a false break. So we still have to wait for the price to break out from this line. So this is a false break, not a clean break. Okay, we look at PIE. So this one we still have to wait. Okay. So PIE consolidating after a break, right? Friday, there's no momentum. Okay, people are taking profit. Okay, so this one got no move, so we have to wait this one. Okay, so if the price drop out of this trend line, right? The price actually drop out of this trend line. Okay, drop below 3.12, maybe want to cut loss. Okay, if the price can stay above here, okay, we can continue to hold. INARI. Okay, INARI is the same thing. Okay, the price did not continue to move. So this one we have to wait. Okay, wait for the price. So this one we have to see this. Okay, 3.35. If the price drop below 3.35, maybe close the stock first, close the order first. Okay, so if the price can stay above 3.35 and stay above here and here. Okay, say above here. Okay, we can continue to hold. Okay, because we don't know yet because it's Friday. Okay, whether this stock got opportunity to continue to grow or not, we don't know yet. Because Friday we need to wait for next week, right? Because Friday a lot of profit taking. So DUFU is the same thing after breakout consolidation. So we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait for it. So this one. Okay, we have to wait as long as the price don't drop below 3.68. Okay, we still can hold. PMETAL. Okay, PMETAL almost to the profit already. That day we talk about the breakout over here. So almost towards the target area already. Okay, so this one watch out. Okay, almost reached the target area already. AWC. AWC price already hit target. That day we talk about the breakout over here. Price already hit target and come back down. So the price already hit target, come back down. Okay, so don't miss. Okay, miss already. Price is still okay. It's still in the take profit area, but the past one, the price already came into the take profit between 5.95 and 6.45. So this one already take profit. If miss also never mind. The price is still okay, holding okay. Okay, but possible. Okay, there could be a it could be a more selling next week. Okay, KGB similar after the breakout, the price is consolidating here, so want to see next week. Okay, whether the price continue to go up or continue to come down. Okay, if the price come down, it cannot hold. The price drop back. Okay, the price drop below 2.27. Maybe sell it first. Okay, maybe sell it first because this one I like to highlight one thing about KGB. The volume yesterday, the breakout volume is not big. Okay, means it's not a very strong breakout. Even the candle is big, okay, but the breakout is not very strong. So this one watch out. If the price drop down below 2.275, maybe okay, close the trade first, sell it first. UNISEM. The UNISEM still in the box. Okay, so don't do anything until it break out from the box, or it break below the box, come back down to. Okay, come back down to this area. Rebound at this area. Okay, possible. Only we want to. Okay, we want to see. Okay, we want to see whether there is opportunity or not. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, happy Friday. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Okay, we are on the 15th day of Chinese New Year, right? Happy Jak Gome. So what and on to everybody. Okay, so see you again on a Sunday, right? I just did a Chinese version of the how to read the chart, right? How to use the chart. Okay, there's a few episodes. I did a Chinese version. I will publish already published today, right? So I will also do an English version, right? I will publish out on a Sunday. So I will continue do a few episodes, right, on how to actually access the chart, how to open chart, how the basic how to use the chart software and how to draw the trend line. Okay, these are the main thing that I use. Okay, I'll do a few episodes. The first one is basic one, how to open the chart. Okay, then the next few episodes, I will do support resistance line and trend line analysis, how to draw and how to use the trend line. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you for watching. Remember, like and subscribe my video. Okay, it will help me a lot if you guys can like and subscribe my video. And also remember to share the video to your friends. This one also very important to Google and YouTube algorithm, right? And stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.